exercise is not just keeping the good shape of the body, but it helps to refresh your mentality. It helps to strengthen your fitness, your body, your intelligence, so that you can work much better, you can sleep much better, you can live healthy life and reduce stresses that normally affect to the health, affect to the well-being of the people. So it's really important when people know how to do proper exercise, when people know how to keep their body healthy through certain steps that they need to do, and especially they must do it regularly. Slowly they will be improving, and they will be obtaining their goal of body fitness, body healthier, and the body improvement, development in a proper place. So this is the place that many children and people come to take pictures, and it's an identity of Takeo province. This is the horse, the symbol, the symbol of the horse. It's a nice horse. It's made of granite rock, granite stone. It's really amazing. It looks great for Cambodia. It's the strength, the animal of strength and healthy. This picture is telling about the local culture of Cambodia. The Cambodian people in the past and come to the present, they make palm juice. So the palm juice is made from the palm tree, that they put this bottle of bamboo, made of bamboo, to store the palm juice. The palm juice tastes sweet, and it can make into sugar, the brown sugar that we eat every day, that we need in our food, daily food. So the palm juice is made from the palm tree, and the man normally climb up to the palm tree and put the bottle there to collect the water, the sugar palm, and they collect it, and then they cook it and make it into sugar, or they can drink fresh, like these children. He drink fresh palm juice, which give energy. It's sweet, so the sugary give energy and keep the body strong. You see, this is the culture, part of the culture of Cambodia. They really do it at the countries, and I used to also drink this palm juice when I was young, and my grandparents, my uncles, like this man, he make the palm juice and also make the sugar every year by climbing the palm trees and collect the palm juice through this bottle made of bamboo. It's really nice. Yeah, you see, this is the culture, part of the culture of Cambodia. So this is a symbolic of our culture, a unique culture that Cambodian people have live their everyday life in the community where they can produce brown sugars, which is very healthy if compared to the white sugar. Is healthier, it tasty, it more taste than the white sugar. It's how the man carrying the small boy in drinking and supporting him and give him the drink. So this is how people live in Takeo. Their everyday life is coming to do the exercise at the park. This is we call the river park, where people come to do exercise, relax, or driving around to the place so they can see the view, they can get fresh air, they can renew their mind after working, after doing business the whole day. They come to relax to this place so they can feel fresh, they can feel the fresh air, they can enjoy seeing people walking or listening to the music, or they really want to see other people, meet friends and others. So they're really important. So this is really important. We understand that the culture is important. Now I am on my way back from the riverside, walking to my hotel. So this is the life of Cambodia in the evening. So you can see on the street people traveling, people selling things, people are eating for their dinner. So this is the life of Cambodia, the daily life, the duck, real duck. So really enjoy staying in Cambodia. It is a good place to visit. It's a country of great, country of peaceful, country of loving people, friendly people. So it's really joy in this trip. Thank you. So hope you enjoy seeing my review on the exercise at the riverbank. Thank you very much.